This step-by-step guide will show how to assemble the John Deere 80-gallon air compressor hat onto the tank. In just a few simple steps, you'll have the compressor ready to go. First, place the tank assembly in the desired location and anchor it in position. Please reference the operations manual for more information on installation. Next, ensure you have a clear workspace with a hoist or lifting mechanism rated for at least 350 pounds. For this assembly, you will need a 1/2-inch socket and ratchet and crescent wrench and a 9/16-inch wrench. Begin by carefully removing the hat section from the pallet using a 1/2-inch socket and ratchet. Loosen all 4 isolators on the hat section using a 9/16-inch wrench to make alignment easier. Using the hoist or lifting device, attach the lift hook to the hat section. Make sure it's securely attached to avoid any accidents. Have the provided hardware ready, then carefully lift the hat section and position it so that the motor side is toward the front of the tank. Now, set the hat section on top of the tank. Turn the isolators and align the holes with the corresponding holes on the tank. Using the provided hardware, fasten the isolators to the top of the tank. Once aligned, tighten them securely using the 1/2-inch socket, ratchet, and wrench. Next, use the 9/16 wrench to tighten the bolts on top of the isolators. This will secure the hat section in place. Then, thread the braided compressed air hose from the hat section onto the fitting connected to the check valve. This connection point is located on the top of the tank. Use a crescent wrench to tighten the fitting to prevent any leaks. Finally, connect the wire harness from the electric box to the harness from the pressure switch. Ensure all connections are secure. The air compressor is now ready for installation and use. Remember to follow all safety guidelines while operating this equipment. For more information, visit our website at www.deere.com/en/home-workshop or call 877-JD-CLEAN.